If you're seeing Steam error 9002, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple set of fixes that can usually get you back into Steam quickly. This error is often connected to download issues, cache data, region settings, or even a VPN interfering with your connection. The good news is that you can fix it in just a few minutes by following a few careful steps inside Steam. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open Steam's Settings panel, where you can adjust connection and download options that may be causing the error. Inside Settings, click on Downloads. This section controls several important network and cache-related features. One of the first things we want to check is your download region. If the region is set incorrectly, or if the selected server is having issues, Steam may run into connection problems like error 9002. Click the Download Region drop-down and choose a different nearby region. For example, if your current region is not working properly, try another one that is geographically close to you. This can help Steam connect more reliably. After changing the region, the next thing to do is clear the download cache. In the same download section, look for the Clear Download Cache button and click it. Steam may ask you to confirm this action, and that's normal. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary data that might be triggering the error. Just keep in mind that Steam will usually ask you to sign in again after this step, so make sure you know your login details before continuing. Once the cache has been cleared, close Steam completely and restart it. This is an important step because the changes won't fully take effect until the app is restarted. After Steam reopens, try logging in again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can solve the issue. If you still see Steam error 9002, the next thing to do is disable any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes cause Steam's connection or region detection to fail, especially if the service thinks your traffic is coming from a different location. If you have a VPN active, turn it off completely, then restart Steam and try again. If you're using any proxy software or network filtering tools, it's a good idea to disable those as well during troubleshooting. At this point, if Steam is still not working properly, go back and double check the download region one more time. Sometimes simply switching to a different nearby region after clearing the cache can make all the difference. If you live near a border or in an area with multiple server options, testing a few different regions can help you find the most stable connection. Now, once you've changed the region, cleared the cache, restarted Steam, and disabled your VPN, try logging in again. Steam should now connect normally if the issue was caused by one of those settings. If it works, great. You fixed error 9002, and if this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes just like this one. If you want, I can also help with other Steam errors, login issues, or game download problems in future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.